This week, we're in Valdez, Alaska, heading out on 2 different glacier and wildlife cruises, Stan Steffens and the Lu-Lu Belle. Both promise epic scenery, tons of wildlife, and maybe even a front row seat to a glacier calving. We're putting them head to head to see which one is the ultimate Valdez adventure. Good morning. We are here at the Valdez Boat Harbor, ready for our tour today. We're actually heading out on the Stan Steffens tour today, and we went out on the Lu-Lu Belle yesterday. Apparently, Captain Fred is 86 years old, and he's been doing this for 49 years upon this boat that he built all by himself.
So I'm going to take your names. I'm not going to take them. I'm just going to check you off. Keep your names, but have your tickets ready. Oh, yeah. Before you go in the boat, wipe all the crap off your shoes. I don't want my oriental rugs in there. Told those guys.
We're also going to be heading to a completely different glacier. So even though both tours are full day tours, the tour with Lu-Lu Belle yesterday went to the Columbia Glacier, and today with Stan Steffens, we're going to the Mears Glacier. Right off the bat, boarding is a bit different. So of course, the Stan Steffens boats are quite a bit bigger. Their check-in house is right here at the dock, whereas Lu-Lu Belle yesterday, you actually have to go into town to his office to check in. And there's a lot more people on this one too. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Hi guys, watch me getting on right there. Yeah.
Let's just say the boat introductions were pretty different too.
You gotta go outside, and you gotta go to the back of the boat. There's 3 of them back there.
I almost forgot. Bathroom.
They're marine heads, so they're more sensitive than your toilet at home.
Put the toilet paper in the toilet.
This is the bridge. This is where Alan is going to be sitting and driving the trip throughout the day.
When you come up to help me drive, I need all the help I could get.
We live here in Valdez. This is where we reside.
If we leave a little bit late, we'll make up for it. We'll get back early. We'll get you back before dark. Don't worry about it. It'll be fine. Okay, well, let's go have some fun and see what we can find.
One of the main differences we've already noticed is as soon as we came on board, they had free coffee, free tea, free lemonade, and water, and that happens to be all day long. So that's a really nice addition that we didn't really have yesterday. Today, as we make our way through the Valdez Arm, we're getting served some bagel and schmears, all which are included.
I'm getting fresh blueberry muffins that came out of the oven. Let's get one muffins.
Oh, yum. Oh, it's so cute.
I know.
We're not wasting any of it. Yesterday when we went with Captain Fred, we actually stopped a ton in this area. We saw lots of sea lions, and we even went into some caves. We found a raft of sea otters. They're really cute. They're just sleeping there, yawning. It's adorable.
Oscar did. See, what they will do is they rub themselves and scrub themselves, and it traps air around their very. Pretend like you're sleeping, you see.
They are very cute.
We have just the other day.
Captain Fred got us so close into this little cave, and it's like a blowhole. So every time the wave comes in, it just like spits out water.
And we're so close to this rock right now. You could like touch it.
I touched it.
Did you?
Uh-huh.
And turns out right around the corner were the sea lions.
Saying the hatchery yesterday. They were just like.
That was so crazy. It was literally like endless sea lions. And they were so cute. There were some babies. It was adorable. They were climbing all over the rocks and swimming. And then we saw one that just looked really sad because he kind of got beaten up.
And he had a little chunk out of him.
He was missing a little chunk, but it was cool. Before we knew it, we were headed to our second cave, where, wait for it,
Wow.
we saw our first few puffins. Major difference from yesterday. We're actually going about twice the speed that Captain Fred was doing, so we've already made it to this waterfall. We're gonna go along the shoreline a bit, see if we see any animals. Just to give you guys a little idea of how fast we're moving, we've already made it to Columbia Bay, which took us a couple hours to get to yesterday, but today it's only been about an hour and a half, which, not to say going slower is bad. We actually really enjoyed getting to spend a lot more time with the sea lions and looking in the caves, but it is a really nice change of pace, and the speed is feeling pretty good right now.
There's so many. They're right there.
So we've made our way all the way to the face of Mears Glacier. We're only about a quarter of a mile away right now. And as we wait for it to hopefully cap, oh, it just did.
Oh.
There's a crystal of ice that's formed that absorbs all the wavelengths of light except blue, which it refracts back out.
As we're enjoying the calving of the glacier, we are also enjoying the views of an animal we didn't see at all yesterday, which is a seal. There's probably at least 100 or 200 of them just sitting on the ice, just enjoying their day. And our Captain Alan told us that they sit on the ice because this is one of the places that the orcas won't come eat them. So it's kind of like their perfect little spot to hang out. We were so lucky. We saw the glacier calving multiple times while we were hanging out there. The best part is now it's time for lunch. Lunch today is some rice with chicken and Alfredo sauce. We have veggies and a Hawaiian roll.
It's tasty.
The funny thing is we actually took this exact tour about 3 years ago and they give us the exact same meal then too. Now, yesterday on Captain Fred's tour, none of the food was really included. You kind of had to pay. I got the clam and bacon chowder. Tyler got the Captain Fred special. And my mom got the chili dog. Super creamy, very hearty, like lots of potatoes and clams. Really good. We've made our way to the Columbia Glacier. We're still a couple miles out, but we saw some mountain goats, which we've never seen on a boat tour before. So, pretty exciting. I'm not sure how well you guys can hear me, but
Big black stripes.
Captain Fred was telling us that the glacier used to come to this spot in 2010, but now we're still more than 4 miles away from it. We've officially made it to just within a half mile of the glacier, and Captain Fred was telling us there appears to have been some calving this morning because there's a really dark blue spot that you can see. It's darker than anything I've ever seen in a glacier before. We're so close!
Deborah, I dare you to stand on it.
I can like touch the thing.
I dare you go walking. That's crazy.
We literally just pulled up to the glacier and saw the biggest calving we've ever seen.
Straight ahead, straight ahead. It's going to be a big one. Going to be a real big one. Straight ahead. Yes. Look how pretty the blue is. It just was exposed. Depending on the size of the wave, sometimes we'll get our surfboards out. You guys can ride those.
It was absolutely insane, and it left the bluest color behind it. We found our own little viewing platform, like up on the top.
Hey, Deborah. 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 Hey, Deborah. Up here.
Absolutely incredible. The best part is they brought this gigantic chunk of ice up into the boat.
You want to try to hold it?
Try holding it, me.
Okay. I'll be right here just in case. It's all you.
Good job, me.
And now they're breaking it all apart so we can each try it.
So cold.
Glacier Americano.
Glacier cheers. We did not get to do that on Captain Fred's boat yesterday.
And as we started to make our way back, we just happened to see the cutest group of otters sitting on this giant glacier chunk. It was adorable. As we make our way back up the Valdez arm towards Valdez, I thought I would go over a couple more of the differences that we've noticed between Lu-Lu Belle and Stan Steffens. First things first, the boat itself. Lu-Lu Belle is so cozy. It's all handcrafted by Fred. The interior space is a bit limited and it's kind of hard to hear him on the loudspeaker, but the inside is so cozy and elegant. Whereas Stan Steffens is really truly modernized and newer. Basically everyone on the tour has a spot inside. You can hear really clear. Both are great, but both have really different vibes. Second, the one way that we noticed Stan Steffens going above and beyond is that they actually provide these little pamphlets to everyone, which has all the information about all the areas you're visiting, all the glaciers, all the wildlife, and even some history of the area. Plus, they have a ton of extra resources up front also. They've got porpoise out front. They're pretty cute.
It'll be very apparent if they want to play with us.
Oh, there they are. Wow, there's a lot of them.
The only animal we haven't seen yet on either tours is a whale, but Captain Allen thinks he might have just seen one on the horizon.
So this is a little bit atypical behavior. Typically, what we see is 4, 5, 6 blows and then a big arch of the back and then a tail. And then that animal is typically going for a longer, deeper dive. And like I said, I'm almost 100% sure this is a mom and a calf. That calf is probably a 2023 model, but it's really hard to see without them having a little bit more surface activity.
As we started our way back to Valdez, we did see some puffins and sea lions, but we didn't get quite as close as Captain Fred, or go in any caves. And as we made our way back on Lu-Lu Belle, we were served the most delicious, warm, gooey chocolate brownies. It doesn't get much better than that. Captain Fred just told us that they made some fresh brownies for us. We got some nice hot apple cider. It's so warm. So warm. We were talking, and the bottom line is, if you want a super cozy adventure style experience, definitely go with Lu-Lu Belle. If you want something a bit more accommodating and efficient, then Stan Steffens is 1000% the way to go also. They're both great, just both really different. If you enjoyed that adventure, make sure to subscribe. We're headed out on all kinds of insane adventures coming up this fall. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.